Hello, if you're watching this video, it's because you have not got Java, the JDK downloaded and installed. This is just a quick video on how to do that to be able to develop in Java. It's not overly complicated. All we have to do here is look at this link will be in the description as well, by the way. This is the Oracle website. As you see here, we have two JDKs available, really. The reason there's two available and it's 20 and 17 is 20 is the latest like bleeding edge kind of stuff. 17 is the latest long-term support, meaning until they declare a new long-term support, this is like the one to go back to that's always going to be stable and updated until a new one comes out. That's kind of how they work this. They just keep releasing long-term support for different JDKs and then release new JDKs as needed. I'm going to hit download on the JDK 17. I am currently using Windows, so if we go to Windows here, we can get an installer. It's always nice. If you're Linux, then you probably know the way to download it for Linux. It's just a case of downloading it, gunzipping it, and the usual malarkey in the right directory. Windows, it's a nice easy installer. So if we click that, we're going to open it in X amount of seconds. I'll be back when that's done. Here we are in the installer. I've just finished downloading and opened it. We're going to click next. Yeah, we don't really care about that. Next. It's going to install it. I will be back when this is done. That has been installed. You just kind of want to change your Java home. So if we go into here and type path or caps, this thing will come up. We then need to have a look in here at environment variables. In here we need to find the Java home and change that to the one we've just installed. I know mine is located here in the Java file, and it's called JDK 17. You can locate yours by going to C, Program Files, Java, and then whatever yours is called. It might be a later version, could be also be earlier. I doubt that, but we've changed that to whatever that folder's called in there. Click OK. OK. That's the environment variable set up. And then if we go into IntelliJ here, what we can do is delete all of this and go in here and in the project structure. As you can see here, my SDK is at 14. So this can be used to either update or or just install it from scratch. So I've already added 17 there, but we can click Add SDK, JDK, and then all you've got to do is find where that JDK is located. So in here it was Java. So you can see I've got a few Java, just a few JDKs installed. We're just going to go with 17. Long-term support, okay, and then it's added it there as number 2. I think I should remove that probably. I will do that later. But anyway, in here you select the one you want, click apply, click OK, and that is it. We are updated with Java. So if you have any issues saying there's no JDK installed, or you just want to update your JDK to a later version, that is how you do it. It's quite simple. Yeah, so I hope that was helpful, and see you in the next one.